Hello, good day. So this is a demonstration video on how you can view your bonuses and award at your back office. So firstly, ensure you're logged into your back office. Then by the left hand side, you locate bonuses and award and click on it. So the first thing we'll have here is the bonus history. You click on it. So it's going to show you the bonus history, the type of bonus, the dates and the time. So you can use the navigation buttons to go to last or next. So I can click on next to bring up another set of bonus history. So just like that. So the next thing is the Kickstart bonus history. You still go to bonuses and award, then you click on Kickstart bonus history to view your history on Kickstart bonus. So I'll click on it. So it's going to bring out all information with the generation, the date, the username for me. You can scroll down to view everything. Then it's going to sum the total amount that you have received for Kickstart bonus. So we'll look at the next bonus. The next bonus we have is the binary bonus history. Once again, go to bonuses and award. You locate binary bonus history. Once you're there, you click on it. So this shows you your binary activity and the amount, the pairing bonus, which is the matching volume, the bonus. You can use the numbers below to go to the next page. So this page one, I can click on two to go to the next page. So that's opened the next page for me. So we're going to look at the next one. We'll click on bonuses and award, then we'll go to unilevel bonus history. Click on it to view the unilevel bonus history on our NRI account. So it has opened up for us. So it's going to show you the amount, generation, the concerned user, the amount paid, and other information. You can use the numbers below at the bottom of the page to go to the next page. This shows that you only have 4 pages here. As the history increases, the number of pages also increases. So I'll click on 4 to see what's on the fourth page. So the most recent is what normally appears on the last page. So we're going to look at the next one, which is the referral bonus history. I'll click on it. So this shows all the referral bonus that have been received on your account, the referral list. So you're going to see everything here. I'll click on next page to also see what's on the next page. So this referral differs. The amount differs because of the particular package that the new user you referred activated. So we all have different amounts, different referral percentage for each package, from partner to executive. So thank you for watching this video.